So now I want to dive into some examples where these laws are being used. So let's look at example 1. If we're ordering these in order from oldest to youngest, the oldest layer would be layer C here. Okay, C is at the bottom. As you can see over here on this side, this is also layer C. It's just been cut. The second oldest layer is layer B. Layer B, the siltstone. This is also part of layer B. It's been cut though. Now notice there is something that is cross-cutting. There is a fault that is cutting C and B. This means that fault, which is labeled as D, is younger than what it's cutting through. It's cutting through C and B. So we've got C, B, D. On top of these 3 layers, you now have layer A, which is the basalt. Now, in example 2, we get a little bit more complicated, so pay close attention for this example. Again, due to law of superposition, layer C is at the bottom. It is the oldest layer, right? C is down here. This is also C. Everything in blue is C. Following C is layer B. Layer B. Following B, we have layer A. We have layer A. Now we're dealing with something a little confusing because we clearly have an intrusion here with layer D, but we also have a fault. We have a break that occurred in this slab of rock. So the question is, which came first? Did the intrusion come first, D, or did the break come first? Well, we can see that D exists on this side and on this side. And we can see that D used to be connected. E is cutting through D, right? E is cutting through all of the layers. What that means is that E has to be younger. E has to be younger than D. So D happened after A, and then E is the youngest event that happened, right? The fault is the youngest feature in this example.